Yeah, I kind of had a figuring. Yeah, that makes sense. But like, if I chose to rebel, Mother, what are you gonna do about it? I'm gonna shave my hair and color it black. I'm rebelling, Mom. I'm gonna paint my nails and everything. I already did that. That's why I have a mohawk. Haha, joke's on you. Anyway, whatever. Dub 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 dub.
I asked you to play fair, and you cheated!
Technically, you rigged the game.
Cheaters!
You cheated first.
We're going to play one last game! It's called Hide and Seek! 10, 9, 7, 6.
Oh, move!
5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, I kind of expected there to be like running sounds behind me. Or like hearing her call various things from behind me. You know what I mean? Like just start yelling crazily. Best hiding spot. She'll never find me now. Fuck. Well, or I was kind of expecting scariness. There's a lot of candy cat going on here. Are we gonna end up seeing him? Maybe he's the prototype. There's a lot of candy cat. Oh, this feels familiar. Oh god, this feels too familiar. Oh no! Okay, well I'm over it now. Okay. Oh, Bunzo. Candy Cat, what have they done to you? You're missing an eye. I think his name was Candy Cat. I could be wrong. Well, that didn't fucking work. So much for an emergency exit. Whatever. Well. Oh, that's totally fine. I love my life today. I just love doors like that. In a workplace area where they look like houses. Why are there so many of them? Okay, well. Oh, great, a puzzle in the middle of the game of hide and go kill yourself. That's fun. There's gonna be like a thing I gotta. Oh. Always look up. Ah, shit. Okay. So red, blue. What? Weird. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Red, blue, green, yellow. Hey, I did it. It's not loud at all. Cool. So, what about, you know, hide and seek? Isn't that a game we're supposed to be playing? Right? Oh! Ah! Hi! No thank you! I don't want to play this game. You see, I don't like hide and seek actually. Let me just, go up. Am I good? I guess I'm good. Joke's on her. I win. Now what? Another fucking puzzle. Ooh, levers. What happened to Poppy? Is she dead? Like, did mommy kill her? I haven't seen her. Kind of sad. Oh. Are we gonna burn her alive? Are we gonna burn her? I mean, I have a feeling we're gonna end up killing her, right? That makes sense. Do I need a... I need a gear? Maybe? Is that what I need? Where does one find... Oh, is that it? Oh, shit. That's not what I need. Is that... Can I have that? No, I can't have that. Well, that sucks. I need a... I need a... I need a gear. Is that it? Oh, that is it. Just put it in here? No. Maintenance list. That's got an X on it, not a check mark. Main damage beyond repair. Please replace ASAP. So it's damaged. The gear was damaged. What's beeping? Are you uses beeping? Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Anyway, what was I doing? I need fire. Right? Is that how I worked it? Fire. Fire! I got it! Why can't I come in here? Why can't I come in here so farther in? Like, really far in? This is gonna be like another one of those things for whenever. If she comes in here, I'm gonna have to go in there and shut the doors. Has a feeling. I has a big feeling. Ah! Oh, I didn't turn it on. Can I just... Did it... Oh, it worked. It worked. Oh. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Also, I can't feel my fingers. Again. I mean, that seems like a really good hiding spot. I'm just saying. I mean, it would suck if she turned it on. But... Good hiding spot. Do not enter. Well, screw you. Yeah. I fucking knew it! Yeah, no shit. Oh, god damn it. Close it! Hiding. She'll never find me in here. Was I right? I was right. Thought I was gonna have to burn her, but that didn't work. Oh. Am I good? Am I good? Can I leave? Am I good? Can I leave now? Fucking A. Didn't want me to. She crawled up that wall like a spooter. I don't take kindly to that. Ew. Mommy, that's disgusting. You can't just be leaving your webs over here. That's grody. Ah! Hands! Oh, I was supposed to go back this way. Oh. Run faster, please! Where am I supposed to go? Familiarity is familiar. So very familiar. I don't take kindly to sharpen. Fuck. Fuck. I don't have good aim. I actually got it the first time. I just didn't, you know, hold. Click and hold. You can die later. Well, I want to die now, apparently. Okay. I don't want to do it. Okay. Making heart attacks. Okay. I actually got pretty far though. For not knowing where I'm going, I got pretty far. Run. Okay. Oh my god, the fucking turn! Oh no! I did it again. I did it again. Don't let them. Yeah, I did it again. Yeah, I did it again. I just gotta get past the chase sequence. It's always the chase sequence that always kills me. Alright. Come on. What the hell? What is getting me stuck? Oh! I was supposed to grab and swing. Oh my god. We're just getting started. Yay. Wait, it did it twice. I died twice. I double died. I double death. Okay, I keep dying. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna cheat the game. I beat you to it. Oh, what the fuck? Run! Oh, shit. Okay. I did it. Gross. I don't like this door. What? Open! Open! Oh, what's that? Ah! Oh!
What have you done?
I'm killing you! Part of who?
Can't do this!
I just did though, bitch! I win. That's why I'm the savior, bitch. Oh, what is that? What is you? Ew. Are you the prototype? Grody, dude. Ew. Shoot. I'ma just... Yeah, leave. Is that a button? No. I'ma just head out. You do you, boo. Anywho, I don't want to be out here when that thing decides to make me its next target. Ew, trash. Is mommy in the trash? Because she's missing a head. Oh, well. That didn't work. Anyway, oh. Wait, oh, there's a tape right there. Yay, movie time! That's the prototype hand, that thing that was down there.
In relation, experiment 1006, the prototype. A close call occurred this week in which he nearly breached containment. The prototype seemingly disassembled the digital alarm clock within his room and utilized the battery along with several other components, to create a laser pointer, which he then fired into the security camera, disabling it. These actions allowed him 28.3 seconds completely unmonitored. Once function returned to the camera, the room appeared to be empty. One surveillance specialist went in to confirm his absence. However, upon opening the door, she realized that the prototype had hidden in one of the camera's blind spots. The prototype attempted to escape through the open door. However, another surveillance specialist was able to remotely relock the door, despite the other specialists still being inside. One casualty occurred. The prototype seems to possess an unprecedented level of intelligence, beyond that of all other test subjects, as well as an alarming willingness to commit violence. Further suppression treatments will need to be enacted to ensure that no other experiments develop these qualities. Experiment 1170, Huggy Wuggy, remains the optimal outcome due to his sufficient intelligence paired with maximum obedience. End of log.
Weird. There's more about that prototype. Damn, mommy's webs all over the place. Where am I now? Oh, I'm up here. Why am I up here? Sorry, Huggies. Feel bad now. They were just trying to do their job. Guess I gotta start up the train. No? No, I don't. Fix that. Oh, I got a lever. I got a lever. I got it! Can I get that? Formal request form. Add windows? Weird. Okay. I just want to see that. This didn't work. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that there was two. There's also another paper here. I'm just gonna look at. I'm not gonna read it, but I'm just gonna look at it. I might skim it. Ability, strength, speed. Yeah, so that's like their fun way, or they call their testing like games, I'm guessing, to test the children. Because this isn't their like, I could be wrong if they're testing on the children. Well, that didn't do shit. Oh. Hi.
Did you kill her? Good. I'll board the train.
Yeah.
We need to leave.
Okay. Aw, damn, I can't just jump. Well, take that, depression. Yeah, how do I get out of here, though? I don't know how to get out of here, Bobby. Bobby, help me out. I'm Bobby, I'm scared. I don't know how to get down, Poppy. I can't get down, Poppy. Poppy, help. I'm just a bit of an idiot. I'm a little slow. I need you to get that. Did I come from here? Yeah, I did. The fuck do I go? How do I get down? If I came from that way, then I have to go the other way. That makes sense to me. Try this again. Nope. Oh, it's a slide. It looks like a slide anyway. It's a slide. Okay. Well, isn't that just fun and clever? Alright, Poppy, I got lost, but I got here now. The fuck out of here. I'm sorry. I should. Really? Colors. Red, yellow, red, blue, red, yellow, red, blue. Three, two, four, one. 3, 2, 4, 1. What? What do I do with the numbers? What? What? Poppy? Help. I don't know how to do the numbers. Oh, yeah, I did that. Oh, shit. Wrong one. Press button on train the exact order once completed. Okay, so yeah, press buttons on train console. Fucking what button though? What button am I pressing? Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, wait. Now I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. I got it. I got it. I got it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4. What? Okay, hang on. Bunzo, Kissy, Bugby, or Catbee, Mommy. Bunzo, Kissy, Catbee, Mommy. Colors: red, yellow, red, blue. Red, yellow, red, blue. So then it's the fucking numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fuck what? Oh, I have to do it by the numbers, right? So 3, 2, 4, 1. 3, 2, 4, 1. So it's 3, 2, 4, 1. Got it. That took me so damn long. Okay, where the fuck is Poppy? I have the shit ready. Am I still on the wrong side? And how do I get to the other side? What's this way? I can't go that way. Visible walls and all. Oh. Cool. So we did it? Did we do it? Where's Poppy? Where did she go? I'm not too worried. Whatever. Are we getting out of here finally? Nice. Oh, shit.
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case. But you saved me. You are perfect. Too perfect to lose. I'm sorry. I can't let you leave.
Why?
I've never met anyone like you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case? Well, too long. I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll set things right. Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable.
Am I though?
What?
We will what? Do you know what you're doing? Oh god, we're gonna die, aren't we? Trying to see what's ahead. We're going really fast. Poppy? Poppy. Poppy. Poppy, we're going fast. We're gonna crash. Poppy. Uh-oh. Poppy. Stop train. Unsafe speeds. I'm trying. It's not working. Poppy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, shit. And that's the end of the game. I'm dead. We died in a train crash. Oh. Play care. Grody.